Hello students, this is your subject reasoning and today's class topic is syllogism. So this is the direction to solve the questions. In the question below are given two statements followed by two conclusions numbered 1 and 2. You have to take the given statements to be true even if they seem to be at variance with commonly known facts. Read all the conclusion and then decide which of the given conclusions logically follows from the given statements disregarding commonly known facts. Now you can see you have a statement, two statements are there and the conclusion are followed by the statements. So you have to choose the option out of these five. Okay, so these are the question. I hope you have seen the questions. So now I am just telling you the answers. These are the answers of these five questions. So you have to just check your answers. Okay, and if you have any problem, so you can just ask me. So thank you and have a good day.